Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Here the questions from hyperbola. Yesterday we finished the 10D first bit and the second bit also till question number 6 we finished. Now we will enter into the questions. Question number 7 to 16 we are going to discuss in this class. Find the equation of hyperbola satisfying the given conditions. See how to do these type of problems. First, vertices compared with plus or minus a comma 0. Foci compared with plus or minus a comma 0. You remember, sir, why sir you are comparing with only plus or minus a comma 0, plus or minus a comma 0? We observe that y coordinate is 0 means it lies on x-axis. X-axis means transverse axis. So, vertices or transverse axis means here a is equal to 2 and a is equal to plus or minus a is equal to 3. After that, whenever the vertices and foci are lying on transverse axis, the eccentricity is root over a square plus b square divided by a square. So squaring on both sides, e square equal to a square plus b square divided by a square. Cross multiply these students. So a square e square equal to a square plus b square. So a value is there, no, squaring on both sides. A square e square is equal to 9. Next a is equal to 2, substitute in this. 9 is equal to a square means 4 plus b square. So 4 bring this side. 9 minus 4 is equal to b square. So 5 is equal to b square. So b square value we got it. A equal to 2 means a square is equal to 4. So therefore the required equation of hyperbola, the required equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Wherever a square b square is there, replace with this values. A square value is 4 minus y square by b square value is 5 equal to 1, dear students. We finished the question. Similarly, question number 8. Here, the question number 8, the thing is vertices 0, comma plus or minus. Vertices 0, comma plus or minus 5 and foci 0, comma plus or minus 8. So with this information also we will do it, dear students. See, vertices compared with 0, comma plus or minus b and foci compared with 0, comma plus or minus b. Whenever vertices and foci are having x coordinate 0, this type of hyperbola it will be. That means conjugate hyperbola. Conjugate hyperbola equation, required equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1, dear students. So from here b is equal to 5 and b is equal to 8. Squaring on both sides, b square e square equal to 64. So b square equal to 25. So what is the use of calculating that one? Eccentricity for this is e square equal to e square b square will come is equal to a square plus b square. So substitute in this. 64 is equal to a square plus 25. 25 bring this side. So what happens? 64 minus 25 equal to a square. 14 minus 5, 9. 39. 39 equal to a square. So a square value we got it. B square value also we got it. Substitute in this. Therefore, x square by a square value 39 minus y square by v square value 25 is equal to minus 1. Whenever, you remember, dear students, whenever vertices and foci are lies on y-axis, that means conjugate axis here, 0, 0. I hope you understand, students. We'll move to next question. Now we are going to rub this. Later with cloth also we will do it, then only it will clean perfectly, otherwise it won't be. Yeah, what is a 0, comma? Next question number 9. What is S? 0, comma, plus or minus 3, foci 0, comma, plus or minus 5. Question number 10. Foci plus or minus 5, comma 0. The transverse axis. The transverse axis is of length. Axis is of length 8. See, these two questions we are going to do that. Thank you, competitive games. Yeah, here the question is the vertices is 0, comma plus or minus 3, foci is 0, comma plus or minus 5. We observe that x coordinate is 0. So x coordinate 0 means the figure of hyperbola will be like this. So this hyperbola is the form x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1. So compare with this 0, comma plus or minus b and 0, comma plus or minus b. So from this b is equal to 5, that implies b square equal to 25, be equal to, sorry, this is b value is 3, no, sorry. So b square value is 9, be is equal to 5, that means b square e square equal to 25. We know that b square e square equal to a square plus b square. So substitute 25 is equal to a square plus 9, 9 bring this side, 16 equal to a square. A square value we got it, b square value also we got it. Substitute in this. Therefore, the required equation of equation of hyperbola. X square by a square is 16 minus y square by 25 equal to minus 1. Okay, students, we'll move to question number 10. In this question number 10, foci coordinates are plus or minus 5 comma 0 means plus or minus a comma 0. Clearly, the foci lies on transverse axis and transverse axis length is given as 8. That is, transverse axis length is what? 2a is equal to 8. That implies a is equal to 4. So a square is equal to 16. A square value 16. AE value is 5. Squaring on both sides. A square E square equal to 25. A square E square, if you know that, we know that, or we have the formula. A square E square equal to A square plus B square. So A square E square value is 25. A square value is 16 plus B square. So 16 bring this side. 9 equal to B square. We know that foci lies on x-axis. Therefore, the required equation of hyperbola. The required equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So a square, b square respective value substitute. X square by a square means 16 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. I hope you understand, students. Yeah, competitive games 95. Thank you for your support. If you like this video, it reaches to more people. That is my intention to tell every time. Please don't mind. Yeah, we'll move to next question. Maths with Panindra is also myself only, Mr. Career. Competitive games 95. Yeah, we are going to drop this. Today, in Maths with Panindra also, I will come to the live session with the model paper 2 marks questions, section A questions, so we will come in. Next question number 11. Foci 0 comma plus or minus 13. The conjugate axis of length, conjugate axis of length, (24). Question number 12. Foci plus or minus 3 root 5 comma 0, the latest rectum is of length 8. So from this data we will do it, dear students. Foci coordinates are 0, plus or minus BE. Next, conjugate axis. Conjugate axis means 2B equal to 24. That implies B equal to 12. So B equal to 12 means B square equal to 144. We observe that foci coordinates lies on y-axis. That is the reason the required equation of hyperbola is of the form x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1. So from here b is equal to 13, squaring on both sides, b square e square equal to 169. Later b square e square equal to a square plus b square, we know that. Otherwise simply we have b square e square is 169 equal to a square plus b square value 144. This value bring this side. 169 minus 144 equal to a square. Therefore a square equal to 25. So a square value we got it, b square value also we got it. Substitute in this. X square by 25 minus y square by 144 equal to minus 1. Now come to the question number 12. In this question number 12, foci coordinates are plus or minus a comma 0 if you compare. Why? Because plus or minus 3 root 5 comma 0. Then the latest rectum is of the length 8. So whenever the foci lies on transverse axis, latest rectum length LLR is equal to 2b square by a. So that is equal to 8. That implies b square is equal to 4a. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. So from here, AE is equal to 3 root 5. Squaring on both sides, a square e square is equal to 45. What is a square e square? Since we know that a square e square equal to a square plus b square, so a square plus b square is equal to 45. So again b square value also we got it as known. Since b square is equal to 4a, so a square plus 4a equal to 45. A square plus 4a plus 4, both sides we are adding 4 to make the perfect square. This is 49, dear students. This is a plus 2 whole square. So a plus 2 equal to 7. 2 bring this side, a equal to 5. A value 5, that implies a square equal to 25. A square 25. B square equal to 4 into a value is 5. So b square equal to 20. So it lies on x-axis, transverse axis. Therefore, the required equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So x square by 25 minus y square by 20 is equal to 1. Okay, dear students, we'll move to next question. Question number 13. Foci plus or minus 4 comma 0. Length of latest sectum LLR is equal to 12. Next question number 14. Vertices plus or minus 7 comma 0 E equal to 4 by 3. And question number 15. Foci coordinates are plus or 0 comma plus or minus root 10, passing through passing through 2 comma 3. So last one question is that will do. First, come to the question number 13. Foci, we observe that it lies on transverse axis. That means it will be in this form. So standard equation. So it is in this form, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. There only you can substitute a students after getting the values of a square and b square. Okay. Compare with plus or minus ae comma 0 and 2b square by a is equal to 12. So b square equal to 6a. Next, ae is equal to 4. A square e square equal to 16. A square e square means a square plus b square is equal to 16 only. So substitute b square value here. A square plus 6a is equal to 16. Both sides to make the perfect square adding 9. So a plus 3 whole square is equal to 5. 25. So a plus 3 is equal to 5. So a is equal to 2. So a value we got it here, students. So b square equal to 6 into 2. So b square equal to 12. So ax square by a square means 4 minus y square by 12 equal to 1, which is the required equation of hyperbola. Come to here, vertices plus or minus a comma 0. So a equal to 7. Next, eccentricity. E is equal to 4 by 3. E is equal to 4 by 3. A square equal to E square equal to 16 by 9. E square means a square plus b square by a square. Here we have an important result. So 9a square plus 9b square is equal to 16a square. So 9b square equal to 7a square. So b square is equal to 7 by 9 into a square value 49. So b square equal to 34 by 9. So b square value we got it. A square value is 49. So therefore x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. The required equation of hyperbola. X square by 49 minus y square by 343 by 9 equal to 1. So x square by 49 minus 9y square by 343 equal to 1. foci 0 comma plus or minus root 10 passing through 2 comma 3. So foci 0 comma plus or minus BE, and here whenever 0 comma plus or minus E, the required equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1. It is passing through this one, no? So 4 by a square minus 9 by b square equal to minus 1. So plus or minus b is equal to root 10, b square e square equal to 10. That implies b square e square means a square plus b square is equal to 10. So in place of b square, 10 minus a square, this you have to replace here, and can simplify 4 by a square minus 9 by 10 minus a square equal to minus 1. So 40 minus 4a square minus 9a square is equal to minus a square into 10 minus a square. So 40 minus 13a square equal to minus 10a square plus a square whole square. So these values bring this side, a square whole square plus 3a square minus 40 equal to 0. Is it possible to factorization? 40, 8 5s. So a square whole square plus 8a square minus 5a square minus 40 equal to 0. So a square into a square plus 8 minus 5 into a square minus 8. A square plus 8. So a square plus 8 into a square minus 5 equal to 0. So a square minus 5 equal to 0. A square equal to minus 8 is not possible. So a square equal to 5. So a square equal to 5, substitute in this, b square equal to 10 minus 5, b square is equal to 5. So therefore the required equation of hyperbola x square by 5 minus y square by 5 is equal to minus 1. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move to last question. Thank you, Asrita B channel. Thank you for your support. So last question in this exercise, 10D. That's a good question. 10D, last question is question number 16. Conceptual question. This I am expecting these students, they may chances to ask in the exam. Find the equation of the hyperbola. Equation of the hyperbola of given length of transverse axis, length of transverse axis, six, whose vertex bisects the distance between the center and focus, the center and foci. One of the vertex, one of the focus means center and focus. This is very important point. Please remember and keep in mind. See here, find the equation of hyperbola of given length of transverse axis. See, the figure of hyperbola will be like this. Center, vertex, focus. Length of transverse axis A dash is given as 6, 2A is equal to 6, A is equal to 3. Whenever it is transverse axis, A coordinates of 3 comma 0. Center 0 comma 0, whenever it is stranded, we don't know. Yes, sir. AE comma 0, we don't know that value AE. That is the reason AE comma 0 we are taking. Okay. Here, vertex bisect the distance between center and focus. A divides CS in equal ratio. Given that A bisects CS, that is A equal to midpoint of CS. So A means what? 3 comma 0. Midpoint 0 plus AE by 2. Next 0. Equating x coordinates 3 equal to AE by 2. Cross multiply AE is equal to 6. A square E square equal to 36. After that, A square E square means A square plus B square equal to 36. So A value 3 substitute in this, B square plus 9 equal to 36. B square equal to 27. So B square value 27. A square value 9. Substitute in the required equation. So therefore, the required equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So x square by a square value 9 minus a value 3 no here. So y square by b square value 27. If you want to simplify, you can simplify, otherwise leave it here students. 9, 27 LCM is 27. So 3x square minus y square equal to 1. Like this also we can write it. Thank you dear students for watching our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Please like this video and reach us to more people. In the coming days, other exercises also I will provide. Thank you for your support. Thank you all. Jai Hind.